Hello students, welcome to our channel Fearless Maths class. Today I discuss about the algebraic expressions, multiplication of algebraic expressions. I already discussed in the previous classes what is algebraic expression, what is polynomials, what is monomials, what is binomials, and addition and subtraction of algebraic expressions also I already discussed. Today I discuss about the multiplication of algebraic expression as well as division of algebraic expressions. Now let's start. Multiplication of algebraic expression. First I discuss about multiplication of two or more monomials. What is monomials? What is monomial? A polynomial having one term is called the monomial. Then now I do multiplication. The monomial, I write two monomials here also. First is 4x cube y and 6xy. Now I do the multiplication of these two monomials. That's why 4x cube y into 6xy. When you do the multiplication, listen carefully. When you do the multiplication, first you do the multiplication of sign. Then you do the multiplication of numbers or constant term. Then you do the multiplication of variables. Okay, you already know the variable multiplication of variables by the formula of indices. You already know. You already read also in your previous class. That's why now you just look at the board and I'm doing this one. First you do the multiplication of 4 and 6. Here there is no sign. That's why here is plus and here is plus. All of you know the plus into plus is plus. First you put the sign. Then you do the multiplication of 4 and 6. 6 4s are 24. Then you do the multiplication of variables x. X term. What is this? X to the power cube plus 1. And then you do the multiplication of y term. 1 plus 1. That is 24 x to the power 4 y square. This is the answer of the multiplication of these monomials. Okay. Now I start the multiplication of three monomials. First you write like this, minus 4ab into 3a into minus 2 by 3 a square b. Then you do the multiply. First you do the multiplication of sign. I already told. Now minus minus is plus, all of you know. Then you multiply the variable. What is this? 4 into 3 constant term. Then you do the multiplication of constant term. Then you do the multiplication of variable of just like the light variable too. Now a 1 plus 1 plus 2. Then you do b. Here is 1 plus 1. Then 3 cancel. 4 2s are 8. A to the power 4 b square. This is the answer of these three monomials multiplication. Okay. Now I discuss multiplication of polynomials by monomial. Polynomial by monomial. Then do first look at the board. Now multiplication by polynomial 3xyz. Then you just write like this, 2y minus 5x plus 3z. Then you do the multiplication. What is this? First you do this one to this one. Then 3x. Then you do the multiplied by 3 and 2. 3 2s are 6. Then you put x. Then y square. Then z. Then put the negative sign. Then 5 3s are 15. Then x square y z. Now 3 3s are 9. x, y, z square. Then the answer will be 3 to the 6 x, y square z minus 15 x square y z plus 9x, y, z square. This is the answer of the multiplication of monomial by polynomial. Okay. Now the second example I already do. Now I do the second example. What is this? Then you do by this 1 by 6 into 12 a square b square minus 2 by 3 into 12 a b square c plus 1 by 4 into 12 a square bc. Then what is this? 6 2s are 12, 2a square b square, then 3 4s are 12, 4 2s are 8, a b square c plus 4 3s are 12, 3a square b c. This is the answer of this multiplication polynomial by monomial. Now I discuss about multiplication of two or more polynomials. Two or more polynomials. Now I take an example. This is the polynomials here and here also be polynomials. Now I do the multiply. What is this? What type of multiplication is this? Then first you take this one into x cube y plus 4x cube y square minus 3x y cube. Then you take first one multiplied by 3 terms of this polynomial. What is this? First you do 4xy within bracket this one 2x cube y plus 4x cube y square minus 3x y cube. Then you put minus x cube y cube and 2x cube y plus 4x cube y square minus 3x y cube like this. Then you do the multiply this and this. 4 to the first you do the multiplication of numbers. I already told. Next 4 to the 8 x to the power 4 y square. Then plus then 4 4 is 16 x to the power 4 y cube minus 4 is 12 x square y to the power 4. Then you do the multiplication of this. Then first you do the multiplied by the sign, then plus minus the minus 3 to the 6 x to the power 6 y to the power 4. Then plus minus minus 4 is 12 x to the power 6 y to the power 5. Then minus minus plus 3 is 9 x to the power 4 y to the power 6. Then you just follow here is any like term or not. Like term here 4 power x power is 4y2 x to the power x power 4 y cube x square y to the power 4 x 6 y to the power 4 x to the power 6 y to the power 5 x to the power 4 y to the power 6. There is no like term. That's why this is the answer of this multiplication polynomial by polynomial. Okay. Now I give a homework multiplication of two or more polynomials by the simplification. You do the simplify. First you do the multiplication of these two polynomials. Then you do the multiplication of these two polynomials. Then you do the subtraction. This is the homework. Please you do the homework. And if you any queries, anything else, you just write the comment box and I will give the answer. Okay. Now I discuss about the division of algebraic expressions. Division of monomial by monomial. Then first divide this one by this one. What is this? Then you write 2 5x cube y divided by 5x square y. And you do 25x cube y by 5x square y. Then you just do the cancellation. 5 5 is 25 and y cut, and this one are cut, then answer be 5x. This is the division by monomial Now I discuss about division of polynomial by monomial. Next, this is a polynomial, you divide it by monomial. What is this? Then you do 4x to the power 5 minus 3x to the power 4 minus 6x square plus 5x plus 8 divided by 2x square. Then you do separate the terms. Then do the division. Do the separate x to the power 5 by 2x square minus 3x to the power 4 by 2x square minus 6x square by 2x square plus 5x by 2x square plus 8 by 2x square. Then what is this? 2 to the 4, then you cut this one, and minus 2, this is 2x to the power 3, then minus 3 by 2, and cut this one, minus 2, then x to the power 2, then 3, and cancel here, minus 3, then plus 5 by 2, and cut, and this one by x also, plus, and now 8 by 2 is 4, 4 to the 8, then 4 by x square. This is the answer of this division of polynomial by monomial. Now start division of a polynomial by a polynomial. And for do the division, first I discuss about the verification of the division. All of you know dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. We already know, we already read in the previous class. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Now I give the quotient, divided this polynomial by polynomial and verify your answer. Then I do the division now, then I do the verification also. What is this? Then 2x minus 3, then 6x cubed minus 11x square plus 7x plus 5. And here, first 2 3 is 6, and here is x, and x cubed, that is x square, 3x square. You do the division by this one. Now 3 2 is 6x cubed minus 3 is 9x square. Then you do the subtraction and cut this. Then change the sign also. Then 11 minus 9 minus 2x square. Then this is come down, and this is also come down. Then this is plus 5. And then just you look this one and tally this one. You just put minus x. Then when you do the multiply this one, and then the number be 10. Then minus 2x square minus plus 3x. Then again you change the sign, cut this one. 7 minus 3, 4x plus 5. And again you do by 2. Then 2 2s are 4x. Then plus minus 3 2s are 6. And this is cut one, and this one 11 is the remainder. Now you write quotient is 3x square minus x plus 2, remainder is 11, divisor is 2x minus 3, and dividend is 6x cubed minus 11x square plus 7x plus 5. Now you verify. Here I do the verification. Verify. You just look the verify. Verify is the formula. What is the formula of verification? Division into quotient plus remainder. First you multiply division into quotient. Divisor into quotient. What is the divisor? Divisor is this one into this one. First you do the multiply divisor into quotient. This is divisor 2x minus 3 into quotient 3x square minus x plus 2. Then you do the multiply 3 to the 6x cube minus 2x square plus 4x minus 9x square plus 3x minus 6. Then what you do? Plus remainder. Then you do. Now you write this one, 6x cube minus 11x square plus 7x minus 6, and again you write the 6x cube minus 11x square plus 7x minus 6 plus remainder. Remainder is what? Remainder is 11. Then 6x cube minus 11x square plus 7x plus 5. This is the dividend. Verified. You just do the division like this and verification also here. And now I add the remainder plus 11. This is the main formula. Here divisor into quotient plus remainder is this one. This is the dividend also. This is the verification. Just to look down. This is very important sum for you for the division also. Now that's all for today. If you like my video so much, please press the like button and write comment and share these videos, and please subscribe this one. Then you press the bell icon and you get the further notification. That's all for today, and now I'm leave this class and I will coming again. Okay.